Welcome back to CodeCraft by MAK. In the last video, we explored functions in Python, how to organize code into reusable blocks. Today, we will learn about lists in Python, one of the most important ways to store and manage data. A list in Python is a collection that can hold multiple values in a single variable. Lists are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate values. We create a list using square brackets. For example, fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Print fruits. This will print the list that is apple, banana and cherry. We can access list items using an index. Indexes start from 0 in Python. For example, print fruits index 0 and print fruits index 2. It will print apple and cherry. Lists are mutable, meaning we can change them. For example, fruit 1 is equal to mango, print fruits. Now the list will be apple, mango and cherry. We can add items with .append or .insert function and remove items with .remove or .pop functions. Fruits.append orange, fruits.remove apple, print fruits. We can loop through lists using a for loop. For example, for fruits in fruits, print fruit. This will print each fruit on a new line. Python lists come with many handy functions, some of which are length of fruits, that is the number of items in fruit list. Fruits.sort will sort the list. Fruit.reverse will reverse the list. And fruits.clear will empty the list. Now you have learned how to create lists, access items, modify them and use useful functions. In the next video we will cover tuples in Python, another way to store collections but with some key differences. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next lesson only on CodeCraft by MAK. Thank you.